Welcome to my Fakeaway series where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking this banging fragrant Thai green curry. And don't worry, the full recipe and method down in the caption. Yeah, I know you can get pretty decent curry paste in your supermarket, but trust me, they won't be a scratch on this homemade version. Pop all of the ingredients listed in the recipe into your mini blender and blitz it till smooth. Make sure to try and find some of this shrimp paste. It's key to the recipe. Absolutely hums, but trust me, it tastes fantastic. Add a small amount of oil into the pan, then fry the paste over a medium to low heat for around 5 minutes. It's important to take your time at this stage. Pour in the coconut milk, then crush the lime leaves to release the oils. And then these go into the pot. Do not pay crazy money for these in the supermarket. I saw 4 leaves going for £2, which is madness. Get a big bag in your Chinese supermarket and keep them in the freezer till needed. In goes the chicken and then simmer for around 10 minutes until cooked through. Now let's finish the dish. Finally add the palm sugar for sweetness and fish sauce to taste along with a handful of sugar snap peas. And you are done. My daughter Indy thought it'd be funny to take the piss out of me when I wasn't around, so I thought I'd post her doing my famous cringy smile. She'll be fuming. What would you like to see next in the Fakeaway series? Let me know in the comments. Absolutely banging.